Hello lovelies, today we get to unbox these minis and minis from Super Impulse. This is technically 2 minis included. I know you can see what is in here. It's Mike and Ike's, the blue box. Oh no, this is Flavor Ice. Oh darn, I thought they were the blue box Mike and Ike's. So there's also a mystery inside the base. These have apparently miniatures within miniatures. Includes 2 minis and 6 minis in minis. And that sounded interesting to me. If you see here the picture of the hands of the person pouring out miniatures outside of the miniature, and if you shake it, you can kind of hear them. So I thought this was fun. And I kept seeing these by the check lanes and wanting to buy one. Thought it was finally time. Yep, I can hear something in there. Oh, it's plastic. Oh, it's like a little... Wow! What? Oh my goodness, and it even has the little flavor ice on there. Oh, I love that. It's like a little box. I didn't know it was a box. I thought it was just cardboard. I mean, it's a little plastic box. Adorable. I love that. Okay, which one did we get in our surprise? I think one of the surprises is figuring out how to open this. There we go. Ooh, cute. Okay. Ooh, she's sick? Whoa, look at all this. Oh, it's this company? Okay, wait a second. This is the same company that does... I don't know if these are... This is all the same company. Yo, if this is all the same company, these people are crazy. I've seen a lot of their toys. Miniature Hello Kitty. This catalog is insane. I don't even... Everything in here is miniatures too, and it's like they have Kerplunk, they have a functional basketball, tons of little miniature emulators, Rubik's Cube. I mean, y'all, this is crazy. I can't even look at that. That's too much. And this, look, there's more. This must be the catalog for this specific line. It is indeed. Dum Dums, Chupa Chups, woo woo. Rare Warheads, Mike and Ike Berry Blasts. I wish I did not get Mike and Ike Berry Blasts. I got Bosco. I can feel it already. Sugar Buzz. All right, here we go. Bosco, and literally my least favorite flavor ever, but that's fine. I don't think this one has anything in it. Oh, but it does have... It does! It's got a whittle. With a whittle. Oh, and the labels and everything. Yo, okay. Yup, I like these a lot. I like this toy. I like it. I like it. I want it. I want more of them. These are so cute. They're like the nesting dolls of miniature foods. Stop it now. And we have more of these, and I'm gonna buy more of them. Okay. How much did I pay for this one here? It's $8. And without a doubt, considering how this toy works and the fact that it's miniature foods and everything, I give it a 10 out of 10. But once again, I'm biased because I love miniature foods and I love these. These are incredible and I want more. I want tons. I want them all.